Being an entrepreneur is stressful. I mean, real stressful. But today I'll be giving you 5 tips on maintaining good mental health throughout all this stress. Let's get it.
I can't even lie, no. I don't wanna lay up with you if you telling lies, no. Turned out like the rest of me, there's really no surprise, so I'm living my life, no.
First, do not let people waste your time. It's okay to converse and talk to clients, potential clients, all that kind of stuff. But when you peep that somebody is going to waste your time, and we all have been there, so we know the vibes of time wasters. You know, people who keep on asking questions and questions that basically lead to nowhere.
That's what I'm talking about. This means something to me, man.
And end up always going back to this one phrase: I'll let you know. So to avoid all of that, keep it short, brief, to the point, and don't waste a lot of time on people that are not ready to buy or do business right then and there. Because the time that you're spending talking to this person, you could be talking to an actual client, somebody who's really ready to spend money, or you could be working on different products, different ideas to further your business. So don't let people waste your time. It's valuable. Spend it wisely. Number 2, do not procrastinate. If it's certain projects that you need to get out and you have a good amount of time to get them out, go ahead and get them out early. I know I have trouble with this. We all probably have trouble with this because we do so many things. We wear so many different hats. But the best thing you can do for your state of mind is to go ahead and get them done, get them out early. This way you have more time to go ahead and focus on other things like furthering your business, different marketing schemes, all that kinds of stuff. Plus, if you deliver, over-delivering, that makes clients happy and that makes them want to return. So the thing that you want to do is go ahead and get that stuff done so you can start working on you, keep your clients happy, and you keep yourself out of the line of stress. Now, I'm speaking from personal experience. When I wait and get projects done a week before they need to get done or days before they get done, it is an extra level of stress on me. But when I go ahead and get them done and get them to the client, then I can work on the next client, or just something that I've already wanted to do. Like, just say I wanted to do a custom with Gucci or whatever, and I haven't done one yet, but I have 3 customs lined up for clients. I go ahead and knock those out, and I have 3 days with no different orders that need to be done. So I can go ahead and work on that custom that I want to do, and that's going to further my business, have more products, which may catch a different audience to give me this chicken. Okay, number 3 is very, very important. You have to get the proper rest, and I know it's hard. Take you a day off, a real day off. That's very, very difficult as an entrepreneur because you got so many things running through your mind. It makes it hard to sleep at times. So many things running through your mind, it makes it hard to even take a day off. But trust me, when you finally go ahead and say, okay, this day I'm not doing anything, so I'm doing minimal things inside of my business, or I'm going to bed by this time, it helps you a lot. It keeps you on the schedule. It keeps you able to function through the stressful life as an entrepreneur, and it gives your body time to recover from all that work you just did. So definitely make sure you're getting a decent amount of rest. Whether your sleep hours different. So find something that's comfortable for you, that works for you. Maybe you can take a day off every week. Well, take a day off every 2 weeks or something like that, you know what I'm saying? But definitely make sure you're getting rest so you don't get burnt out and feel like the business owns you. Now, number 4, I know this is very optional, but I'm just speaking from my experience. Exercising. Exercising helps me tremendously, not just for my mental health, but my physical health. You do a lot as an entrepreneur. You're running around, you're going here, running these kind of errands, talking to these people. You need energy. You need to be physically capable to do these things. A lot of times, just like with my business right now, I have to go to different events, different shows and stuff like that, showing off the things that I can do, my sneakers, my clothing, all this kind of stuff. And I'm there for hours at a time. So you have to be in some kind of decent physical shape to do that stuff. Otherwise, it's going to wear you down and wear your business down with your body. So I would advise some form of exercise. Like I just stated, it helps me mentally, it helps me unwind, and actually I come up with ideas for my business as I work out. I may be thinking about some custom that I want to do or something like that, or some idea I have for a video. I just jot it down in my notes in between them reps, getting that bench press in, or curling, jump rope, and whatever I'm doing. You feel me? And then, you know, boom, there's things to help my business out. So definitely I feel you should get you some good exercise in so you stay mentally and physically healthy. Now, number 5 and the final tip, and I believe this may be the biggest thing that you need to do within these 5. Win the day. You have to win the day. Don't worry about what's going on tomorrow, next week, month, a year from now. Win the day. When you start thinking about those things too far down the line, it gets stressful, and then you start to think, I'm not where I want to be. I'm not where I want to be. I don't think I'm going to be where I want to be in this amount of time and stuff like that. You have to win the day. So yeah, make sure you win the day, man. Don't worry about down the line as much. Make sure that day is the best day you can make it. Make sure you're proud of your work at the end of the day, and you will rest easy. So those were my top 5 tips to maintain great mental health as an entrepreneur. Y'all make sure y'all give me some more tips that y'all may do, because I mean, I don't know everything, but give me some tips that y'all do as entrepreneurs or just as people, period, you know what I'm saying, to maintain a great mental health. Until next time, it's been y'all. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. Join the squad, you hear me? Nah, it's been your boy. I'ma catch you in the next one.